Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix smartphone not connecting to PC. If your Windows or Mac computer won't recognize your Android phone over USB, here how to fix the problem. If you're a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. Can't get your Android phone to connect to your computer? This can happen for many reasons, including your incorrect connection mode or a lack of proper drivers. The smallest of issues can prevent your PC from detecting your device. Today we will discuss how you can solve the problem. Connect your phone to your computer using USB cable. Pull down the notification bar and you should see an Android system entry that shows the current connection mode. Tap the connection mode item to open the USB preference page. Select transfer files. Once you do this, your phone should appear as a storage driver in File Explorer. Now you can start copying files to and from your device. If your phone driver is already installed on your computer, then you will get this option very easily. Let's see what to do if your phone driver is not installed on your computer. Right-click Start button. Then select Device Manager. Click Portable Device. You can see here the model name of my phone. If you do not see the model name of the phone here, then find your desired device in the Other Device option. I will double click on my phone name. Then select Details tab. Click this option. Then select Hardware IDs. Then copy any name from here. Then go to any browser. Click address bar, then type google.com. Paste the copied text here. Then search. Click on the first website. Download your phone driver from here. Once the software is downloaded, install it and then connect your phone to the computer via USB. If you're a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. If our video is useful to you, then like the video and share with your friends and family member.
Thanks for watching.